Carla here, and I am back with another video. I just finished working out. I just got back from the gym. I had an awesome leg day. I'm so proud of myself. I sweated a lot. My legs hurt. Everything is sore. But I just wanted to come to you guys and show you my post-workout skincare routine. This is what I do every day to my skin after I finish working out, because I do sweat a lot, and to avoid clogging my pores and to let that sweat sit on my face for a long period of time, this is a skincare routine that I do in order to keep a clean and fresh and squeaky feeling face. So this is my skincare routine. It's the best one that I've had so far. I was changing my skincare routine a lot just to see what works with my skin. I do have sensitive, dry skin. My skin is very sensitive and it's dry, so these products are inexpensive, and I found that this is the best for my skin. So I'm sticking to this skincare routine because this is what's working for me, and I hope it helps you. So if you want to see my post-workout skincare routine, keep on watching. So the first thing that I do is tie my hair back with a scarf. It's just a black scarf. And I'm going to tie my hair back to get it out of my face, because I don't want any of the products getting into my hair, even though it won't hurt my hair, but I would rather them not get in my hair. So the first thing that I do is wet my face with warm water, not hot and not cold. I'm wetting my face with warm water to open my pores. Even though I'm already sweating and my body is heated up, I'm going to put some water on my face just to make sure that the products lather up nicely. And the first thing that I'm going to be using is black soap. This is black soap by Shea Moisture. It's organic and it's no extra perfume or anything added to it. It was thicker than this, but I use it every day, so it's starting to run out. So I'm going to go ahead and lather my face up. You don't have to be shy with the amount of soap that you use, because like I said, all of these products are good for your skin. So I make sure that I get a good amount all over my face. And I'm working quickly because I don't want it to dry up. Okay, and the next thing I do, this is my Conair face brush. And this is what I use just to get a deeper clean. So I just move it around my face. This is what my face looks like, and I'm about to go ahead and wash my face with cool water. I'm going to wipe this off with cool water so that I could close my pores. Go all natural witch hazel, and there's nothing added into it. It's just natural witch hazel, 100%. And I'm going to take this little cotton swab. And I do the witch hazel just to make sure there's no soap residue or any extra dirt left on my face. So I just go across my face, one good sweep with the witch hazel. And any residue that was left on my face, it is now gone and clean. If you still don't feel like your face is clean after you do it with this one sweep of witch hazel, you can always get a clean swab and do it again. I go down my neck and make sure everything is off. And now I let my face dry for just a second. Now I'm going to take my Pond's Dry Skin Cream. This is the moisturizer that I use for my skin because, like I said, I do have very dry skin. And this is the best moisturizer that I've been using so far, and I really enjoy it, and it lasts for a really long time because a little goes a long way. And then I just rub it in. And that is it. That is my post-workout skincare routine, and I guarantee you, if you try this routine for 1 or 2 weeks, you will see a huge difference in your skin, and you'll feel a difference in your skin. The combination of the black soap and the witch hazel together, it just makes your skin feel squeaky clean and ready for the rest of your day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you give this skin routine a try, and I hope it works out for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos if you're interested. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and as always, peace.